The Yemoja priestess, a legacy of devotion and service. Meet Her Spiritual Majesty, Queen Dr. Yeye Olosunde Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ejalonibu, Aare Obabinrin Yemoja Agbaye, and currently the Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide. A devoted Yemoja priestess and paramount head of Yemoja divinity worldwide. With over 22 years of dedication to Orisha spirituality, she has embodied the spirit of Yemoja, nurturing and empowering communities across the globe. She is born into a family of Yemoja spiritual leaders. Yeye Ejalonibu Yemoja Demilade Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ayanmo was destined to follow in their footsteps. Her inheritance was not only a birthright, but a calling she embraced with passion and dedication. Yeye Ejalonibu Yemoja Demilade Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ayanmo has received numerous chieftaincy titles, such as Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide, Aare Obabinrin Yemoja Agbaye, Aarebinrin Yemoja Ọbàtálá Agbaye Ilé-Ifẹ̀, Yèyé Ọ̀ṣun Ìpákòdó Ìkòròdú, Yèyé Túwàṣe Ìjọ Olórìṣà Parapọ̀, Yèyé Lómilódò Sẹ́lẹ̀rú Àgbo, Ìyálóde Àbíyè Ògbóni, Yèyé Lódò Olókun Ilé-Ifẹ̀, Olórí Àbíyè Tọbalàṣẹ, Yèyé Ọ̀ṣun Sẹ́lẹ̀wú Ìgbogbo, Olórí Oníyemọja Àgbáyé, Yèyé Ọba. Acknowledging her leadership and impact in Yoruba communities worldwide, Aare Obabinrin Yemoja Agbaye, and also the Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide, has gone through many ups and downs for the betterment of Orisha spirituality, yet she is still standing strong to proclaim Orisha's goodness worldwide. As an ambassador for African culture and heritage, she has traveled to various communities for promotion of the love of Yemoja, the mother goddess, to the world to know about. Yeye Ejalonibu Yemoja Demilade Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ayanmo, the Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide, has shared the teachings and love of Yemoja with kings, chiefs, and devotees alike. Her tireless efforts have helped spread the beauty of Orisha spirituality, fostering greater understanding and unity. Hosting Yemoja festivals in different communities, Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide, Yeye Ejalonibu Yemoja Demilade Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ayanmo has brought people together, celebrating the goodness, bounty, and grace. These events have become beacons of joy, cultural exchange, and spiritual growth. Yeye Ejalonibu Yemoja Demilade Omigbemi Ifafunmilayo Ayanmo, the Aare Obabinrin Yemoja Agbaye, and also the Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yoruba land and worldwide, has received numerous honorary awards and accolades, including the one she received in OAU, Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, as an African ambassador for African culture and heritage. She has received numerous honorary awards and accolades for her selfless service, dedication, and contributions to the preservation and promotion of Yoruba culture and Orisha spirituality. Her love for music makes her to tell musicians to compose different music, and she gives title herself concerning love for her callings, like Omo Mi, Water Children, by King Tesoma, Aye Emma Fomi Shawada, giving praises to Yemoja, the water divinity, by Arike Ade, Akọrin Ọba, Aláwòye Yemoja, Bámi Wo Ọmọ Mi, and Kábíyèsí Ọba Oníyemọja Gbogbo Àgbáyé, and recently the new hit track by Egbetola Aladuni on Ìṣọ̀kan Gbogbo Oníyèmọ̀jà. Yèyé Ẹjalónibú Yemoja Demilade, Omigbemi Ifáfúnmiláyọ̀, Àyànmọ́ Òòṣà, the Aare Obabinrin Yemoja Agbaye, and Oluwase Alade Yemoja Yorubaland and Worldwide's remarkable journey is a testament to the power of devotion, hard work, and leadership. As a Yemoja priestess and paramount head of Yemoja divinity worldwide, she continues to inspire and guide generations, ensuring the legacy of Yemoja's love